Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, you name it. Reviews like today, hauls. So if it is the kind of channel you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, enjoy us, enjoy the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. Appreciate you guys a bunch, thank you. So today's video, get excited, we're going to be doing clothing slash swimsuit haul for Rosewe. That's the brand right here. So I'm super excited. So I have a few pieces I'm going to show you guys one by one, and as I show you guys, I'm going to put a little video on my right side, one of my sides here. All right, so the first piece that I have here, I'm gonna take out of the box, is this piece here that is very versatile. This is like you could call this a beach cover up or a dress or a skirt. I love pieces like that that's versatile and you can use in many different ways. So why I like pieces like this, so I'm gonna show you guys and then we talk a little bit about it. So this is, I think this is, if I'm not mistaken, one size fits all. And so you can use this as a long skirt. You can see how beautiful the pattern is. It's actually long, so you can use as a skirt or you can use as a dress. And this little thing here you can tie in many different ways for make different looks. And this material is rayon, 100% rayon, I think that's how to say, but it's very beautiful. The pattern is very beautiful, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in the body. So the next piece here, beach cover up, which is so beautiful, very nice. Like I say, also is one size fits all, and you do have like a slit here on the leg. Let's see which part is, yep, and in the front here you have a beautiful detail here. Very beautiful piece, love this one for the pool or for the beach. Very beautiful, very nice. Yeah, and this I'm gonna have to put the price down below for you guys because I don't have the price in front of me now, but it's very nice, very well made. And this is 100% polyester, very nice. And this one also is a beach cover up, if I'm not mistaken. All right, and this one, the material is 82% polyester and 18% spandex, and it's also a beach cover upper. And so I'm gonna show you guys, it's long, it goes all the way to the floor, and it does have like a zip in the front here. That's how you open, and they have this beautiful see-through with polka dot detail on the sides. The material feels really nice in the body too. So yeah, I'm gonna have the link down below for this beauty too if you guys wanna try, but it's a very beautiful piece. So I'm gonna put this down so we go to the next piece so this video don't get so long. So our next piece is going to be a swimsuit. I didn't try this yet on, so I'm trying with you guys here. It does look like the cup is a little bit small for me. I have a huge problem buying swimsuit when you cannot buy the separate pieces, because I am a large on the top and the bottom I am a small or extra small in some part and some brands. And this one, it is a size medium, so I am not sure how this is going to fit me. I don't think this is going to fit, but I'm gonna try to put it on for see if it fits. Gorgeous, because that's why I chose. It is very beautiful bikini, very different. And this one you tie on the neck, so nice, and you tie on the back, so it's good you have control on adjusting the way you like and the way it fits you better. And the bottom for this, it's here, very pretty. They have the little metallic detail here that look like the top. So, and this actually is it gives you a good coverage on the back. Material, look, the material is really nice, and this one is double lined, which is good. I hate when I get a swimsuit that's not double lined. And the bra, you actually have like a padding in here, so that's if you don't have match boobs, that's gonna give you a little extra, you know what I mean. Yeah, but for me, I have enough. I have enough, like for me, for you, I can give you some. Just kidding. So pretty, this is so pretty. And also the bra is padded, so we give you a little extra boobie here if you're looking for. And this one is in a size small, but it's super pretty. So you tie it on the back there, and they have this little fringe detail here. All right, look how gorgeous this is. And then you have this little gold detail here, and then you tie it on the back, and they have like a little tie on the sides. It's super pretty. And this is what the bottom look like. Actually, it is like baby pink. I don't know how it's showing in the camera, but it looks lighter on the camera, but it's such a beautiful baby pink. Really pretty. Love this one. Let's see if it fits. Right, and this beauty here is, like I said, is a size small. The material is 82% polyester and 18% spandex. Last but not least, and this piece here is one-piece swimsuit. Very pretty. Love the see-through details. Very nice. It's gonna look pretty on the body, and it is a full coverage on the back. For somebody who loves a full coverage, this gives you that. Very cute. And the bra also have paddings in them, which is nice. And you do have like the little space here if you want to remove the padding, you can. And this also is 82% polyester and 18% spandex. Alright, and this was the last piece for this haul, and I'm gonna have the link down below for Rosewe if you guys decided to check them out. They have so many beautiful bathing suit clothing, many options, gorgeous stuff, and shipping was very fast too. And the material, the quality, it's really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments below which one of them was your favorite piece, and I see you guys in the next video, and the link's gonna be down below for them. Alright, don't forget to check them out. Bye.